Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in moral science video. And children, today once again I am going to recall you the chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is here God the Creator. Yes children, you all know children what? God has created universe. Yes, God has created the universe, the sun, the moon, and all the creatures of the earth. Okay, there are four different kingdoms. There are four different kingdoms created by God on earth. These kingdoms include mineral kingdom, the vegetable kingdom, animal kingdom, and the human kingdom. Okay children, so children, we should always believe in God, we should always trust in God, or children, we should not need to worry in times of difficulty. So name of this chapter is here, name of the chapter is here, the trusting dog. Yes, and you all have seen in this chapter what the cat and Mr. Dog were very good friends. Okay, and cat was servant in Mr. Bear's house. Okay, one day by mistake Mr. Cat broke the jar of honey. So Mr. Bear asks about the jar, and so he realized what he said, sorry for this. But Mr. Bear said, now you just get out from my house, don't ever come. But at last, cat was penniless and he has no money. So what he was totally penniless, and he was worried about this. So one telling he has no money and he has no house, no out, and dog is telling don't worry, just buy a new jar of honey for him. So this was not possible because he has no money. So at last dog said apologize to him and trust in God to help. Okay, so children, what he prayed to God, and at last he got he got a new job. Not only a new job, he got the job with good salary and shelter to live also. So cats, just learn from this story, we should always believe in God in times of what? Difficulty also. So children, what you all have also learned from this chapter, we should always pray to God and not need to be worried in times of difficulty. We should always trust in God. So now children, today you all are going to do the what? True or false. Okay, if statements will be the correct. Yes children, if statements will be the correct, you will have to say that what? True, and if statements will be wrong, you will write false. Okay, for correct statement you will write true, and for wrong you will write false. Okay, so let's start. Like first one is children, we should not trust in God. No children, it is false. Children, what? We should always trust in God, because God is the all powerful protector. Okay children, and what? We should always pray to God, but there it has written we should not trust in God, so it is false. Okay, now second is here, teachers bring us the teaching of God from time to time. Yes children, what do you know? What there is at a fifth higher kingdom, and that is the kingdom of the prophets or the divine teacher. These are special souls who bring us the teaching of God from time to time. So teachers bring us teaching of God from time to time. Yes, okay, with the help of teachers we know about the existence of God, about the existence of person or human beings. So what? Teachers are the also teachers bring us the teaching of good from time to time. So that is correct. So for this you will write here true, TRUE, true. Okay my dear, now let's move. Third is here, human beings look same. Human children, yes you all know fourth kingdom is our what? Human kingdom. And children, human beings can look different, but it has written here same, so that's why it is wrong. What? Human beings look different in the color of their skin, and they built up, but they all have emotion intellect and rational soul. Okay children, so there is telling human beings what look same, so that's why it is wrong. And for wrong statement you all will write here false, because human beings look different in their skin. They have different skin, so there you will write false, false, false. Okay my dear, now move to the next. God has created only the sun? No, God has created the universe, the sun, the moon and all the creatures. It was what created by the God on the earth. So there is written only, so that for that also you will write false. It is false, false, false. Okay, now next one is here, we should obey our parents and teachers. Yes children, it is good manner and you all are good students, so children you should always be what obey your parents as well as teacher. Okay, teachers, so there it is true, so for that you will write true. For what? True, true, true. It is correct. We should always obey our parents and teacher, and we should always be ready for help of others children. Okay, so there is correct statement, and for that you will have to write the true. Now next, Mr. Cat was frightened. Yes children, when Mr. Cat broke the jar of honey, so he was totally scared because he has no money to buy the new jar. So Mr. Cat was frightened and he was telling by himself, how will I purchase the new jar? I have no money. So what should I do? He was totally scared. So Mr. Cat was frightened, so it is correct. So for that you will write true, true, true. Okay my dear, now let's move next one. Mr. Cat slept on the dry floor. No children, there is false. Why? Because Mr. Cat, yes children, that evening as the cat was cleaning the kitchen, he slept on the wet floor. Okay, what he slept on the wet floor, there is written what he slept on the dry floor, so that is wrong, not dry, there was wet floor. Okay, so there you will write false, false, false. It is wrong. Mr. Cat slept on the on the wet floor, not on dry floor. Okay children, so there you will write false, false, false. Now next question is here, Mr. Bear spends lots of money to bring the best of honey. Yes children, what you all know children, what Bear's favorite food is? Honey. Okay, so Mr. Bear spent lots of money to buy the best of honey, Mr. Bear spent lots of money to bring the best of honey. So there it is true children. And what happened? Yes, Mr. Cat broke the jar of honey. So what? Mr. Bear was totally angry and annoyed to Mr. Cat. So Mr. Bear said to Mr. Cat, you broke my precious bottle of honey. So just get out from my house and don't ever come back. Okay children, so what? It was very precious cost. Okay, he spent lots of money to bring the honey. Okay children, so there you will write true. So hope children you all have understood very nicely. Once again I am just repeating you, everyone just listen very carefully at home. First you all will read this chapter twice nicely, and then after children you will write the true or false as a homework. Okay, so there is what? Mr. Cat slept on the dry floor, so this is false. 7 number is false. 8 number, Mr. Bear spent lots of money to bring the best of honey, so it is true. There you will write 8 number is true. Now 5 number, we should obey our parents and teachers. Yes, we should always obey our parents and teachers, so it is correct, so you will write true. 5 number is true. Mr. Cat was frightened. Yes, Mr. Cat was totally frightened because he broke the jar of honey, so this is true. Okay children, now after that, 3rd number, human beings look same in their skin. No, each and every human beings look different in their skin. Okay, so they have different size, they have different color. Okay, they have different characters, so they look different, not same. So there you will write false. third number is false, and fourth number is also false, because there it has written God has created only the sun. No, God has created the universe. Okay, so there is also false. Okay, my dear. Now first number, we should not trust in God. Children, it is false, because we should always trust in God. Teacher brings, so the one number is false. Second number, teacher bring us teaching of God from time to time. Yes, it is true. So hope children you all have understood very nicely. At home you will write the true or false, what 1 to 8, from 1 to 8. So for today, once again, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye you all.